Okay, attempt number 7. If you don't believe me, I have bruised my palm from gripping the launcher so hard. But I won't quit. There's just... I just can't quit. There's no greater pain than the dishonor of defeat. Oh, 1-0. It's a wicked start. Oh. 2-0. Okay. Just so you know, I have a big complaint about Hyperion not going on the launcher. Oh! 3-0, but that was a really good hit. Oh! It actually bursted. Oh, it got jammed. I won't count it. 3-1. Now it's 3-1. It wasn't 3-1 before. I just phantomed a point for Samuraizor. Okay, 3-1. Four to 1. Just burst, you bastard. Ugh. 1 click. 5-1. 6-1. 7-1. 7-2. Okay. All hope is not gone. I just can't knock this thing out. 8-2. Still 8-2. Double knockout. I launched it too flat. Dang it. Eight to 3. Nine to 3. Lord, this is something. And that was just a bad launch. Nine to 4. Nine to 5. Launched it too flat. Samuraizor will sacrifice a bunch of speed while I'm trying to get Hyperion on the launcher. That was a bad launch. 9 to 6. Damn. 10 to 6. Still 10-6, no contact. Draw. Still 10-6. Ten to 7. Ugh. 11 to 7. Oh, Hyperion, why? Stop! Ugh. Oh, dude. I've just destroyed this extreme driver. Really? Okay. God, this stupid bay, dude. I really don't like you right now, Hyperion. 12 to 7. 12 to 8. Bad, Samuraizor, bad. 12 to 9. 12 to 10. Hyperion, I'm a big fan of it right now. Draw. Still 12 to 10. Piss. Okay. I'm going to call it 12 to 11. $12 to 12. Oh. 13 to 12. That was a wicked hit. Yeah, I saw that coming. Draw. 13 to 12. Oh. Crap. I didn't lock Hyperion, my bad. And I can't launch Samuraizor, apparently. Ugh. Bad Samuraizor, bad. Yeah. Why? Piss. Oh, really? There we go. And I didn't lock Hyperion. Good job. 13 to 13. Hyperion's locked. Samuraizor stay in the stadium, please. Nope. That was a bad one. I felt it. Felt it in my gonads. That was a bad one, too. There we go. Oh, what? 13 to 14. Piss. Oh, Hyperion! You're a bad Beyblade. You're a bad Beyblade. $14 to 14. there's a bad one again. Perfect. Oh, 15-14. Okay. I've been doing this for so long that I gave myself a bruise from hanging onto the edge of the launcher. So, also my hands hurt because it vibrates when I pull it because of the sparking gimmick, which is cool. So, this marks the end of the first 3 of the sparking bays and my battle against them. Yeah, this was good. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm better than Hyperion. Hyperion is super reliable against Samuraizor. And I'm not afraid to admit that it is my superior. I think it was just, not luck, but I think that Samuraizor and Hyperion are dead even, and I think maybe Hyperion is just a little bit above him. But I wanted to prove that you don't need an upgrade or medal in your bay to compete with stuff like this. And this is proof. Samuraizor was able to beat all of them, and there's no metal in the lair. That's just the sting disc, the spring in the driver, and the 2 screws that hold the driver together. I want to thank you, everybody, for watching. I want to thank everyone who didn't give up on Samuraizor right away. That was really cool of you guys. And for all of you who told me that I needed an upgrade in order to beat these things, you can shove it. Thank you, everybody, for watching it one more time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.